librarian at the Whitehaven Branch Library. Welcome to another episode of Easy Home Recipes and Activities. Today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe called Jello grapes. Really simple, really tasty. What you'll need is preferably green grapes that have been washed, but leave a little water in your bowl or bag or what have you because the water and the grapes are necessary. You'll need Jello. I have flavors in lime, orange. I found a special kind, Jolly Rancher Cherry, and Jolly Rancher Green Apple. So what you also need is a Ziploc bag. Ooh, getting done by there. It could either be a quarter size or a gallon. It doesn't matter. It's up to you however many grapes that you want to fill in your bag with the Jello. So what you're gonna do is open up your Jello pack. Take your Ziploc bag, and you want to have some napkins or towel down because this will get a little messy. But easy cleanup if you have napkins or a paper towel or a napkin down. So you're going to open your bag, pour in the Jello contents from the packet. You can either pour in the whole packet or half. I like to do half. Place it back in the box for later. Maybe you'll try this again. Take your grapes, scoop them out with a spoon or your hand. Just make sure they're clean, or you can have gloves on like I do. One almost rolled off the table. I gotta catch them. They're fast little jokers. That should be about enough. And I'm gonna pour in a little bit of water to make the Jello adhere to the grapes a little more. And you're just gonna shake. And shake. Even distribution over those good and tasty grapes. Just like that. Then you'll place it in the refrigerator or your freezer for 2 to 4 hours. Then they're ready to enjoy. You can even leave them overnight. I've already prepared some and they have been in the refrigerator for an overnight stay in the fridge. And let's try them out. This is the cherry flavor. Oh wow. It's like nature's candy in there. That's really good. I'll try another flavor. Let's try the orange. Ooh, this one is well coated. Yeah, really good. A very simple recipe. And if you want to make it a little less sweeter and a little healthier, you can always go for the sugar-free Jellos. They're just as good. But this is an awesome snack to make anytime. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Till next time, bye-bye.